How to teach your dog to enjoy wearing a harness, Part 1. Overhead harness. There are many types of harness available, but the two most common are overhead and step-in. Part 1 deals with overhead harnesses, which I think are better for dogs and help with other problems to do with positive handling. By teaching your dog to enjoy something going over their head, they will become less reactive to this stimuli. Step 1. No biting. If your dog bites the harness as soon as they are presented with it, wait until they let go and click them for it. Remember to wait until they are focused before you increase the criteria by waving it around and clicking for the absence of a bite. If they react at the waving, stop moving the harness, wait for them to let go and try again. If your dog persistently bites the harness, go back a stage and simply click them for not biting a stationary harness. Step 2. Luring. Place your hand through the head opening with some treats and lure your dog through it. Repeat this as many times as you need before rewarding the harness being on them fully. Do not click while your hands are close to the dog's head, as it might hurt their ears. Move your hand away and click them for keeping the harness on. Click every time they allow you to do up another section. If they stop you from doing up a part, use treats to distract them while it's done up, then click once they have stopped eating. Once the harness is on fully, give them fuss, ask them to do tricks or play a game, so they realise that wearing the harness doesn't inhibit them from doing their normal activities. You can then begin to remove the harness. Repeat the technique of clicking once they've allowed you to undo a section, giving them treats as a distraction if necessary. Step 3. Build endurance. Repeat step 2 so you can put the harness on and off with little time in between, and then begin to build the length of time between putting it on and taking it off. Remember to give lots of fuss, treats and even games during this period, so they have nothing but good experiences of wearing the harness. Handy tips. 1. Keep training short and go at your dog's pace. 2. Build endurance slowly. If your dog tries to get the harness off, try and distract them with a game or some fuss.